Ever wished you could be at your door even when you're not home? With the Cubo Smart Wi-Fi video doorbell, now you actually can. The moment someone rings your bell, you get an instant video call on your phone. Whether it's a delivery, a guest, or a quick check, you're always in control. Now you can see, hear, and talk to them from anywhere. With crystal clear 2K resolution and night vision, your home stays protected day and night. This isn't just a doorbell. It's your home's first layer of security and your everyday peace of mind. I liked all the features. Would love to know your thoughts.